We start our planned restoration tour on the site of a former World War II airfield surrounded by arable farmland. The design of the quarry and its restoration was changed to retain a mature hedgerow which sterilised 100,000 tonnes of mineral. The plan includes agriculture, a network of new hedges, a lake fringed with reed beds, wetlands, ponds and scrapes. Grassland margins and woodland copses are also in the pipeline. This mosaic of habitat contributes to Essex's biodiversity targets and will hopefully attract turtle doves, bats, hedgehogs and hares. There's an extended 20-year aftercare period, and ecological and botanical monitoring is taking place to measure the long-term legacy of the restoration at Birch Quarry. Our next stop is Mullaglass, north of the city of Lisbon, to see a diverse restoration project. This is a former quarry and non-hazardous landfill site, and the idea here is to blend it back into the Mullaglass Hills, creating a bigger wildlife corridor linking with the Belfast Hills. We'll see woodland, wetland, grassland and hedgerows, and 13,000 trees have already been planted. A large area of the site is still just bare ground or spoil, and it's got potential for further development of habitats. This could include cattle grazing, wildflower meadows and woodland, all steered by the Biodiversity Action Plan and stakeholder input. As the site closes, the action plan will be reviewed and amended to create the plan for what will happen in this large section of the site. Next, we're in the southwest of England, where Whiteball Quarry lies in Somerset and stretches into Devon. Here, the grassland and wetland restoration of Redhill and Lindley lagoons will create an ecological oasis, a natural stepping stone in the mainly agricultural landscape. The restoration work using silt to cap and sculpt the lagoons will dovetail with local biodiversity targets, including flower-rich meadows and pastures and species-rich hedgerows. The team at Whiteball Quarry say they expect the restoration to improve nature and wildlife in the surrounding landscape and produce significant biodiversity net gain over the full lifetime of the site. And finally, we're back in Essex, not far from the Essex coast, where Tarmac has been working with Ivanhoe since the 1980s. This project is an extension to existing restoration work and will eventually create 50 hectares of UK priority habitat with a 30% biodiversity net gain. The plan is to transform the intensively farmed fields into a combination of nature-friendly farming and habitat for nature and wildlife. It even includes a unique bat bridge to maintain connectivity in the hedgerows. We'll eventually see a kaleidoscope of habitats, including meadows and acidic grassland, open water, wetlands, reed beds, hedgerows and woodland, supporting a variety of birds, mammals and reptiles. The landscape will contribute to Essex's biodiversity targets and provide study opportunities for local school children and university students.